let's take a flight through the redwoods. It seems like the weather is plaguing us at the moment. On our drive on the Great Ocean Road this morning, it was wet, it was wild, it was woolly, but it was beautiful. We're gonna try and get a drone shot of the car on the Great Ocean Road. It's a little bit of logistics. Emma's gonna drive. We've got rain around, it's windy, so it's a little bit tricky, but we're gonna make it happen. And then we arrived here in this beautiful national park, this forest, and the rain and the weather seems only to enhance the experience. There's almost nothing better than seeing it the way it is now. How good is it? It seems like we're always complaining about the weather, but when you get to experience this sort of thing, you realise that the earth just does what it wants to do. It does what it has to do. And there's no point complaining. You just got to soak it up and enjoy it. I mean, check it out. How good is that? We're playing a game you have to hide behind trees. It's one of Emma's primary school games. Maturity. Okay, let's go.
Always a kid at heart.
Ready? Let's go.
Wait, am I in again?
Yeah, you got before.
Okay. 10.
Now we've got to go hide. And the seconds get shorter. Now we've got 8 seconds.
I can see like this little
Fluff of red hair.
Damn. random. I thought we were in the wet forest. This guy's a bit. I'll remember that like that.
So funny.